Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce tutorial is a comprehensive guide to help you understand and implement e-commerce tracking on your website. To start, you need to have a Google Analytics account and a website with e-commerce functionality. First, you need to enable e-commerce tracking in your Google Analytics account. This can be done by navigating to the admin section, selecting the view you want to enable e-commerce for, and clicking on e-commerce settings. Next, you need to set up the e-commerce tracking code on your website. This involves adding the Google Analytics tracking code to your website and configuring it to track e-commerce events such as product views, adds to cart, and purchases. One of the key concepts in Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce is the use of dimensions and metrics. Dimensions are attributes of your data, such as product category or location, while metrics are quantitative measurements, such as revenue or quantity. Understanding how to use dimensions and metrics is crucial to getting the most out of your e-commerce data. A practical example of using dimensions and metrics is to analyze the performance of different product categories on your website. You can use the product category dimension to segment your data and see which categories are driving the most revenue. Best practices for implementing Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce include setting up clear and consistent naming conventions for your dimensions and metrics, using event tracking to capture key e-commerce events, and regularly reviewing and analyzing your e-commerce data to inform business decisions. Another key concept is the use of funnels, which allow you to visualize the steps customers take on their path to purchase. By analyzing funnels, you can identify where customers are dropping off and optimize your website to improve conversion rates. To get the most out of Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce, it is essential to have a solid understanding of e-commerce tracking and how to apply it to your business. By following these steps and best practices, you can gain valuable insights into your e-commerce data and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth. In conclusion, Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce is a powerful tool for analyzing and optimizing your e-commerce website. By enabling e-commerce tracking, setting up the tracking code, understanding dimensions and metrics, and using funnels, you can unlock the full potential of your e-commerce data and drive business success.